Leopards, it's Mrs. Kupersztoch, and you guys just finished hearing me read I Voted, which was our second Armadillo book this year. Now I'm going to show you how in Schoology to get to the activity that goes with I Voted. First, you'll go to your courses like we always do. You'll find the library course for your grade level, and then you'll scroll down to the Armadillo folder. Click on the Armadillo folder. Scroll down a little bit and you'll see the folder for I Voted. Click on the folder for I Voted. Our activity for today is going to involve us practicing a voting activity. So you're going to be voting for your favorite fruit, and I have this information in a Google form. So here's how it's going to work. You're going to scroll down a little bit. You'll type in your first name, and then you'll select what grade you're in. I'm just doing an example right now. Then it's going to ask who's your teacher. You will select your teacher and then press next. And then here's the vote. Just like we talked about in our book, I Voted, your vote counts. So we're going to get a chance to vote for what is our favorite fruit. I have 8 choices here for you: apple, banana, grapes, mango, oranges, pineapple, strawberries, or watermelon. So you'll pick your favorite fruit, and then scroll down and click Submit. It will say, thank you for voting for your favorite fruit. And that is how you participate in our activity for I Voted. Thank you for participating.